Hey everybody, I'm here today to show you and tell you how to remove the side panel of a desktop computer tower. This will be a full tutorial but also an easy tutorial, so let's get right into the video. As you can see, I have this desktop computer tower and I'll be demonstrating the process for removing the side panel with this specific unit. But every computer tower is different, so it might vary slightly from one model to the next. So I'll show you how to do it with this one, and then I'll tell you about some different things that you might have to do in order to remove that side panel. First and foremost, before you actually work on any computer, you want to make sure that it's unplugged completely. So everything's unplugged from the computer, and you want to press and hold down the power button for at least 10 seconds to discharge any remaining power from within the desktop computer tower. So just hold that power button down for 10 seconds or more, and that's going to discharge all of the power from the computer tower, okay? So the next thing that you want to do is look for any screws that are directly attached to the side panel. In this case, I see 3 screws at the back of the tower, but they're not attached to the side panel. They're actually attached to the rear bezel that you see right here. They're not attached to the actual side panel. So if you see screws that are attached to the side panel, then you probably have to take those screws out, remove those screws, and you can probably remove the side panel at that point. However, with this, like I said, the screws are not attached to the side panel, so I'm going to look for something else, which is up here, which is an unlock lever. So if I pull this outwards, and I hold it outwards, the side panel is going to unlock, and then I can actually remove it really easily. So I'm just going to try and do it with one hand to make it nice and easy. I'm going to use my pinky to make sure it doesn't fall. I'm going to pull this out like that, and as you can see right there, you can see the side panel actually popped out. So at this point I can just pull it out, just a little bit of force, just like that, and I can remove it, just like that. So with this desktop computer tower, I was able to remove the side panel just by pulling out that lever. In other ones, you might have to unscrew any screws that are attached to the side panel specifically, and in some computer towers, the side panel is actually attached with the entire thing. So it'll be both sides and the top, so it'll go side, top, other side. That'll all be attached as one portion. So like I said, you have to judge your own computer tower, but you know, that's how to do it. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment, and of course be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.